Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To be honest, this video is chilled, it's chatty, and I'm talking to you about 2020 goals, some other stuff that's been happening in my life. And yeah, we're just gonna get ready together. This is the look that I ended up creating anyway, and all the products are gonna be in the description box. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Give this video a like if you do like it. Really does help me out on my channel. And also don't forget to get me on Instagram, which is now at Anchal. I'll explain more in the video. Yeah, for now guys, enjoy the video. Yo, let's get the show on the road. Guys, for those of you that follow me on Instagram, which is now not AnchalMUA anymore, it's changed to Anchal. We'll get into that in a moment. I injured my back and my neck, my back. No, not like that. Yeah, basically, I hurt my neck and my back really badly on my niece's birthday. It was in a gymnastics gym, and I decided to think that I'm a gymnast, and there was like a springboard and a beam, and you meant to run up this like runway, I don't know, jump on the springboard and then flip over the beam and land on a mat. And I did it twice successfully, but the third time, my brother, who couldn't do it himself because he has an ankle injury, was just like, Anchal, no, you're doing it wrong. You need to jump on this part of the springboard and then flip over. He's like, no, you're cheating. But I was only cheating because I'm short. Anyway, so I was like, all right, fine. I'll jump where you're telling me to jump. And the third time, I literally landed. I flipped over, landed on my head, heard my whole spine click. It was so loud. It was like click, 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 click. And then I blacked out. I was literally sweating like crazy. And then I genuinely couldn't move after that. Luckily, I could move my legs, my toes. First thing, everyone was like, wriggle your toes, wriggle your legs. But I couldn't actually get up. I couldn't move my actual back. I couldn't even like, for someone to even lift me up, I was in agony if they moved me. So yeah, it wasn't fun. And then I had to go in an ambulance, on a stretcher, and I've literally just been taking the last couple of weeks out because I haven't been able to move much, and it's really painful. I'm still in a lot of pain. Can I just say how obsessed I am with these new Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadows? Try it. Just try saying it. Try saying it really fast. You will trip up. This one is in the shade Cinnamon Toast and Hella Honey. I've not used this one yet. It's one of the new shades, but I'm just obsessed with them. It just makes doing your makeup so much quicker and easier, especially when I'm in a rush. I want it to look like I've put in loads of effort, but just not all the time, you know? It looks like I've put all the time in. So I'm just gonna pop the glittery side in the center of my eye, just to give it like a little spotlight moment. But let's see, this could turn into something else. Okay, I'm thinking it's not gonna be a spotlight moment. It's gonna be an over the lid moment. Guys, honestly, this is how quick and easy it is to do this eye makeup. Like bish bash bosh. Eye makeup done. Looks like I've been doing it for ages. Okay guys, I just had to go and do my wings off camera because the concentration levels needed to be way up high. You know them days where you just need, I mean this is every day. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. You know them days where you just need your wings to just be extra on point. Today is definitely that day. Right, I'm gonna move on to the face. So today I am actually off to speak on a panel with Neutrogena, and I'm so excited because I actually love public speaking. Like, a lot of people don't like public speaking, but I am someone that loves it. I love doing things like panels and stuff like that because, oh, it's just different to me sitting here on my own behind a camera, which I love doing, by the way. I freaking love doing this. Where the hell is my Kevyn Aucoin? What is life without my Kevyn Aucoin? It's such a good way for me to get like my knowledge and my passion out in front of people. I don't know, there's just something about public speaking or a panel that I really enjoy. Oh my god, this shade is so much darker on me. right now. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade 355N, which is normally my shade, but we'll make it work. I mean, it does match. But yeah, anyway, I can't remember what I was saying, but oh my god, my Instagram handle has now changed from AnchalMUA to Anchal. And I decided to change it because I just felt like my Instagram, like I've got some exciting new things coming up, and as much as my Instagram is very much still a makeup page, I still like it and I still want it to be a space where I can talk about other stuff. Like, you know, I like to do like my brown girl rants on there. No, I just feel like it represents me as a whole. It's just my name, so it can be anything. I feel like AnchalMUA on my Instagram puts me in a bit of a box, and then I get a lot of people messaging me saying, can you do my makeup? Do you do party makeup? And I don't, as much as I am a makeup artist and I am qualified, I don't do it anymore, so I don't want people to think that. Yeah, so yeah, I wanted to actually speak about some of my goals for this year. I feel like I didn't do a video of like 2020 favorites or, you know, 2020 goals or anything like that. I don't think I've ever done a video of like 2020 or like New Year goals kind of thing. I feel like now that like January's out of the way, which is for me like a trial period month, that's when you kind of, you make your New Year's resolutions or you set these goals for yourself. And January, you're either really good and you stick to it, or January you're a bit wobbly, you know? You're gonna mess up because some of the goals you've never done before, you're new to half of it. Yeah, like I've met people at some events this month that have been like, oh my god, I've been trying to be really healthy through January and we've been really good, but I'm gonna have a glass of wine tonight, or but oh, I can't help but eat the food here tonight and blah blah blah. And then they're like, oh no, I feel guilty. But it's like, babe, it's January. You've just set yourself this goal. If you mess up, like now, no one's expecting you to be perfect. Like no one's expecting you to just, you said you're going to do something. I mean, some people do that. They say they're going to do something and they just fully stick to it. I can be like that sometimes with some things, and I'm like, nope, I'm not doing that, and I will never do it again. It's really hard when it comes to things like food or things that are like your everyday habits. If you're trying to stop that, it's not going to happen instantly. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, trial period is kind of over now. Now we have to get serious. Like now we have to make shit happen. So my goals for this year, I actually have them like up on a whiteboard right there. I wrote them all out. My goals for this year are to grow my YouTube channel. I feel like I went hard with trying to grow it about a year ago, and then I kind of just slowed down after I was going so hard. I just needed a hot minute to just enjoy the hard work that I'd done. Do you know what I mean? Like, you work so hard sometimes, and like sometimes we don't cut ourselves enough slack. I feel like I've cut myself enough slack now though, and it's time to get back into it. You never want to get too complacent. This is the thing. What's hard for me is that I've been doing YouTube for so long that sometimes it can feel really repetitive, and then I'm not excited about it. But at the same time, anything that you want to do or succeed in, you have to be consistent, even if it is repetitive, and you just have to find new ways of making it work for you and enjoying it. So that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. So I think I'm actually going to get back into proper, like, not daily vlogs, but you know, I used to upload a vlog every other week. So I might do every other week, or I might do every week. Let me know what you would prefer, and let me know if you do want me to vlog. Like, I used to vlog my general daily life, so it'll be good to know if you actually want me to do it, because that's the idea that I have. But imagine you're like, Anchal, that's a really shit idea, please don't do it. Then I won't. Okay, so after YouTube, my next goal is to get 200k followers on Instagram. And I know I'm freaking so far off right now, but I wanted to set myself like a bit of a higher goal and hopefully achieve it. You don't want to lowball yourself. You don't want to do something that is like too close. If I said 100k, I know I'm gonna reach 100k this year. Please God, please, fingers crossed, please. Please, because I'm putting in the work. Currently at like 84k, so I'm far, but I'm not far off. But imagine if I got like close to 200k or 200k or something. You just never know what could happen. So I put that figure out there into the universe, and to you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. It's at Anchal. And then oh yeah, then the other goal is, I don't know if I can tell you yet. That's the other thing that I'm working on, which I'm really excited about, because I feel like it's gonna give me so much joy, and I feel like you guys are gonna love it too. I hope so. I hate being like that cocky person. I'm really not that cocky person that's like, oh my god, and this shit, okay? Because I don't think that. I'm always just like, I can be confident about something and be like, I think you guys are gonna love something, but I don't think I could be that cocky person. But yeah, I'm excited for that other thing I'm working on, because it means a lot to me, and I feel like it's gonna mean a lot to you guys too. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that one quiet, but the goal for that is to just start it, like start. And I've definitely got the ball rolling already. This January, I've had a couple meetings. I've got another meeting lined up to get this ball rolling. This thing I'm working on, I basically have had this idea for the longest time, probably over a year, definitely over a year. Yeah, a whole freaking year. And you know when you're just too scared to start something, you know when you're too scared to just take the plunge and do it. And also sometimes when you have like a great idea, or you're excited about something, or you know, you've just got an idea, sometimes you just don't know where to even start. And that's been me, because I'm like, where do I even start with this? I don't know. But I feel like I've planned so much in the last year in terms of like really getting the whole idea out onto paper, like to fully understand what I want to do, that now I have direction with it. And I feel like now it's the right time, because things are happening to like fall into place anyway, going down that route. So it just, maybe it wasn't meant to be over a year ago when I initially had the idea, and now is the right time. And yeah, I genuinely feel like it is, so that's great. But everything always has its right time, and I always trust God's timing. I'm not mad that I didn't execute this idea back then, because I wouldn't have the people in my life that are helping me now to make it happen. So yeah, I feel like I'm being so vague, and I freaking hate that. I hate it when, well, I don't hate it, but sometimes I get annoyed when YouTubers are like, oh my god guys, I've got a super top secret, but I can't tell you for like 100 years. Bitch, just tell me the damn idea, okay? That's like, and it's also like, you know when someone says like, oh my god, I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna say it, and you're just like, no, just say it. Because you know, you're just so curious with what someone's going to say. I feel like I'm doing that and I'm being annoying. So I'll stop going on about it. But yeah, starting that new adventure, which you will know about soon enough. I'm sure. I'm not going to keep you in the dark for long. And then as well as like work goals, I feel like those are all really work related. I feel like it's really important to write down some personal goals, because you can't get lost in the source of work, everyone. You've got to grow and develop as a person as well. So guys, as for personal goals, I have put down, to save a certain amount of money. I've put like a figure that I want to save, because I'd really love to buy a house. And if you're from London, you know it is so difficult, especially if you're doing it by yourself, honey. Ain't got no man to split the deposit with me. So yeah, it's freaking hard, and it's definitely something I want to achieve, and I'm like ready to leave my family home. It's so great here, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have everything. I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed. Like, it's very easy for me here. I could literally stay here if I wanted to. I've got no pressure to leave. In fact, my mom and dad wouldn't want me to go. But you know, when you're like, you know, I'm 28, hun. Like, you know, when you're just ready to do your own thing and have your full independence, that is me. That's where I'm at. And then another one of my goals is summer body, bikini body. And I feel like, I don't know, I put a lot of pressure on myself with this. It's really hard because now that I've freaking injured my back, I'm out of the gym again. I was going hard, okay? It's just frustrating. So I feel like that one's been put on pause for a hot minute. I just want to feel like, you know, when you look in the mirror in a bikini and you want to be like, yeah, 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 girl. So yeah, I just want to feel like confident in myself to like wear a crop top, or, you know, just wear certain things and feel not so self-conscious all the time. Or sometimes I'm like going to events and I try on like 50 million things right before I leave, and I just think, what the hell am I going to wear? I look like shit and everything. And I hate that feeling. So the best thing you can do about it is work on your body. Like, if you're feeling shit about your body, rather than sitting and complaining about it, I would rather do something about it, which is why I've been going to the gym. But obviously now it's taking a pause. And then my last goal is to keep a positive mindset, which I generally do have, but I get upset quite easily. And I'm a bit of a crybaby, but I generally get upset easily, and I can get anxious quite easily. And just, you know, at home situations and stuff like that, I just need to try and learn this year. And I'm trying to make a conscious effort to just not let little things upset me or get to me, because those are the things that build up and give me huge anxiety. And yeah, it's just not good for your health. So I really, really want to work on my mind and just improving that, really. And I also want to try and make sure that I meditate a bit more, because that will also help with my mindset and keeping me calm, and it will also help with the anxiety that I get. I really want to know if you guys set yourself any goals. Like, do you guys set goals? Are there resolutions? Do you make a list? Do you actually stick to it? I really hope I stick to the goals, especially like my YouTube goal, because my YouTube is my baby. I love it with an absolute passion. I really want to see it grow, but I feel like it's getting harder and harder. Guys, I'm obsessed with this lip. Don't worry, I will leave all the info down below. Okay guys, so this right here is the finished look. I know it wasn't like a proper tutorial. It was more like a little chat, catch up vibe. And yeah, I hope you like this type of video. Let me know if you want to see more like chilled, chatty type videos while I do my makeup. It would be good to know. And like I did say, let me know if you want me to vlog. Like I said, if you did enjoy this type of video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out, as well as pressing that subscribe button, joining the family. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.